Yo, today is Cinco de Mayo. I'm expecting a decent amount of alcohol orders today, but I already got my first order. This is for McDonald's. I believe it said $8 going 3 miles.
Two bags. Thank you.
Next order up is for Starbucks. This one is $8 and some change going 4 miles.
Outdoor trash treatment this morning.
Here you are.
Thank you.
You have a good day.
Head to your pickup at Starbucks.
This next one's like $9 going 3 miles. I got my next order lined up right after this. It is for Subway, $8 and some change going just under 4 miles.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Thank you. You too. I got my next order right away. This one is for McDonald's, $10 and some change going less than 3 miles. You too. Next order up is Starbucks. This one is $8 and some change going 3 miles.
Delivery for Leona. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Next order up is for a new place. Well, new to me. I've never picked up from there. It's called El Jefe Birria and Tacos. This one is $11 going 6.5 miles. You too, thank you. It says, please leave at the door and do not knock. My dog has anxiety. Aww. Yeah, just as I suspected. The liquor store just opened for the day and we got an order right away. This is a shop and deliver for alcohol. $10 and some change going 5.5 miles. 3 items.
Really?
Pink lemonade, Smirnoff.
Oh, there's enough one. It should be.
Oh, thank you. Hello.
Oh,
Quick.
Next order up is for Angels. This one is $7 going 2 miles.
how's the work going today?
Yeah, super busy so far, so.
Let's keep it going.
Yeah, right.
Take care.
Yep. I didn't even know that place sold actual food. Wait, that sounds kind of mean. I say that because it's a bacon cheeseburger. I thought all they sold was donuts. Jesus. Oh, I didn't even realize there's $2 peak pay at the moment. So technically that was a $5 order. Well, now I know. What is this? Chick-fil-A, $7.75 going less than 3 miles. Sure.
Have a great day.
Am I an idiot? I literally just told myself there's peak pay right now. I mean, this order's still decent, I guess, but there's no chance of a hidden tip. That's the issue. Whatever. Where is this going? Hello.
Hello.
102.
That's right next door.
Next door?
Yeah.
Okay.
But maybe over there.
No, I just went there. They told me to come here. So, okay, let me call them. Hello. Have a good day. Annoying. Next order just came in. This one is for IHOP. $11.75 going 5 miles. They just give me another one. I'm assuming you just got that one too. So I don't remember if I mentioned it at the restaurant, but the additional order is an extra $9 going 2 miles. There you are. You have a good day. Just got my next order. This one's gonna be a Walmart pickup. I believe it said $24 and some change going just under 10 miles. So this should be a good one. You know, I'm actually pretty surprised that I've only had one alcohol order so far today.
Hey, awesome. I'll be right back.
Okay. Well, that was weird. Thought he was coming out here to tell me that my order doesn't exist or someone already took it.
Yeah, body cam?
Yeah.
Are you like a YouTuber?
I wouldn't call myself that by any means. Should have turned around.
Hello, sir.
It's a verifying. I'm just gonna go bring your stuff while it does its thing.
Thank you.
Yep.
I think I'm molded out.
Should have turned around. I'm gonna turn around. Okay.
Let's go ahead and sit down.
Yep.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Have a good day.
With the picture?
Let me just double check before I get down there. Oh, signature. Scribble on that line for me. Or in the box, sorry. Used to DoorDash. All right.
Thanks,
yep, have a good day.
You too.
Just got my next order. This one is for crumble cookies. $9 going 2 miles. Thank you. You too. All right, I finally got my second alcohol order of the day. I guess third technically, because that Walmart order had alcohol in it. This is the shop and deliver for alcohol. $9 going less than 4 miles, only one item. Oh, this was a mistake. This place is packed. Oh, I can already tell this one's like this. All right, that wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
Right here, bud.
Be a hell of a thing if a chihuahua hurt you.
Right. Chew at your ankles, but that's about it.
Yeah, just tear your shoelaces right to hell.
And then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me.
Scribblies.
Set to your pickup at Full Home Fab.
I have no idea where this one is. This one is $12 going 3 miles. Wait, never mind. I've been here before. Like once or twice. Thank you. Whoa, that smells amazing. I think I'm gonna have to call it after this one because I am now starving all of a sudden. Yeah, I definitely need some food in and around my mouth right now. So I'm gonna be calling it here. Current time is 12:50. Current total is 161. And I have 2 Uber tips yet to come in, so I don't know, let's say like 175-ish. Not bad. Not bad at all. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.